Today is 21st February 2025. It's an International Mother Language Day. People of all over the world have celebrated this day with a glory, especially Bangladesh. As you see here, the students of Tupail Ali Technical School and College have participated in morning procession, wearing traditional dress and singing song. This day is one of the most significant for Bangladeshi. This day is not merely a historical commemoration, it's embodied the relentless struggle of the Bangladesh to preserve their linguistic and cultural identity. The teacher and student are placing floral wreath at the Shahid Minar to pay respect to these martyrs.